day everyone. I am Jimmy C. Carino Jr. from BIT, Major in Heating Ventilation Air Conditioning System. Today, I will going to discuss the components and location of the parts of air conditioning automobile system.
The first component is the compressor. The compressor is the heart of the AC system, pressurizing and circulating the refrigerant, usually mounted on the engine driven by a serpentine belt. The second component is the condenser. Function: converts high-pressure refrigerant gas into a high-pressure liquid by dissipating heat. Location: in front of the radiator, behind the vehicle's front grille. Next component is receiver dryer. Function: remove moisture and contaminants from the refrigerant to prevent system damage. Location: found in expansion valve systems, especially near at the condenser. Next is the expansion valve or orifice tube. Function: controls the amount of refrigerant entering the evaporator to regulate cooling. Location: usually near the firewalls close to the evaporator. The next is evaporator coil. Function: absorb heat from the cabin air, cooling it down before it enters the passenger compartment. Location: inside the vehicle dashboard, near or with the HVAC unit. Next is the refrigerant lines and hoses. Function: transport refrigerant throughout the AC system between components. Locations: runs between the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion valve, usually along the engine bay and firewall. So these are some components of an automobile air conditioning system. Thank you for watching.